Saira Monendal. So the lesson, colors of silence. So in the previous session, we discussed a beautiful bird. So what did Satish see in the far corner of the garden? Yeah, Satish saw a bird in the far corner of the garden. What kind of bird was it? It was a beautiful bird. He had never seen such a bird before that. Correct? How can you say that it was different from others? It was a unique bird. It was unlike any he had ever seen before. Yeah, it had a longish tail. It had a black crest. It had restless energy. It had darting eyes. It was ready to fly at any moment. This is the description of the bird. Remember. Okay? So when did it fly? When did the bird fly away? When it saw whom? Satish. After a glance at him, it flew away. So what did he do? When the bird flew away, what did Satish do? Satish jumped down from his bed. What did he take? He took out what? Yeah, drawing, paper and sheet and pencil. What did he do? He drew the picture. How? From memory. That is called imagery. Correct? That picture of the bird is fixed in his mind. He drew picture. He felt very happy. Where did he keep? He set the picture against what? The stack of books. Where is it? Bedside table. Did his father agree with him? No. Father did not support drawing. What did he decide? He decided to make his son a knowledgeable person. He should go to school. He said that drawing is, painting is an dash pastime. Fill in the blank. Yes, idle. It is not an ideal pastime. It is idle, lazy. Correct? Am I right? Then, now come to the next part. Page number 146, paragraph number 26. I'll read. Oh, that I don't want him to start thinking that he can make a living out of drawing. Artists make a pittance and live in poverty. It is no career for a bright boy. He has to study if he has to make something out of his life. Besides, his hearing may return any time. When it does, he must be prepared to go back to school. Mustn't he? He asked. So when Satish's mother asked her husband, Satish's father, why do you take away source of entertainment? Father replied so. What did he say? Oh, that you object me? I don't want him to start thinking that he can make a living out of drawing. So I should divert his attention from drawing to reading books. He should not think that I can make a living, I can earn my living, I can earn my livelihood. How? Out of drawing. He should not think. I don't want him. Indirect, he did not want him to start thinking that he can make a living. To make a living means to make a living means to earn what? Earn the money. To earn the money, one needs to pay for food, housing, etc. That means living. Artists. Why do I say so? Because artists make a pittance. Pittance meaning is given there, low, insufficient payment or allowance, a meager allowance, a meager salary. They do not get much salary. They cannot earn much money by following which one? Art. So artists make a pittance. ಅಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿವ್ ಇನ್ ಪವರ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿವ್ ಇನ್ ಪವರ್ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಹೀ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ become an artist. Why? Because he cannot earn much money. It is no career. Career means course of life. ಜೀವನ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಮೈ ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ dull, another dim. Bright light, dim light. Bright boy, dull boy. Bright adjective. Bright boy. It is not a career for a bright boy. He has to study. Compulsory. He has to do his work. He has to study. If he has to make something out of his life, he should make something out of his life. He should earn. He should get name and fame. He should bring name and fame. He should become a famous person. How can he become a famous person? By studying. So he has to study. Besides, in addition to this one, in addition to getting a knowledge, his hearing may return any time, at any time. Why? Because he is under treatment. Treatment is going on. So his hearing may return at any time. When it does, when it comes back, when it returns, he must be prepared to go back to school. He should go to school. He should be ready to go to school. Mustn't he? Tag. He must go. Mustn't he? ಹೋಗುದು ಬೇಡವಾ? ಬೇಕು. He asked. 27th. It has been more than 3 years since he became ill, mother said. It has been more than 3 years since he became ill. When did he become ill? 3 years back. Now also treatment is going on. From that point of time till now, so it has been. How do you possibly think that he can recover his hearing? It is impossible. We cannot expect. Correct? So he can recover his hearing, asked his mother. So mother felt hopeless. How did she feel? She felt hopeless. She had no hope. Her view is different from her husband's view. Her opinion was different from her husband's opinion. Her husband was optimistic, but she was pessimistic. Felt hopeless about her son's condition. But Satish's father was not about to lose hope. He was optimistic. He had hope. He expected that his illness will be cured and he would become all right. He would become a great man afterwards. 28th paragraph, remember. Why decide that he is going to remain deaf all his life? We must always be optimistic about his chances of recovering. He gently chided his wife. What did he do? Why decide? Why do you decide? Why do you come to a conclusion that he is going to remain deaf all his life? Have optimistic idea, belief. We must always be optimistic. Opposite, pessimistic. Optimistic. Ashavadi, optimistic. Having positive, thinking positively, that is optimistic. Hopeful, optimistic. Be optimistic. ಆಶಾವಾದಿ ಆಗಿರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Be positive. Don't think negatively. That means believing positively. Hopeful, that is optimistic. About his chances of recovering, he gently, how did he chid his wife? Gently chided his wife. Chid means scold. Gently scolded, gently rebuke. Several visits to the doctors followed. With nothing improving for Satish, he remained in his silent world, the only solace for him being painting. He managed to paint and draw in spite of his father's opposition. One day, when he was busy mixing the colors on his palette, he became aware of his father standing at the door. He looked up to find him staring at the painting intently. Satish reddened but continued with his mixing. Slowly, his father came into the room and sat next to his son. See how Satish changed the mentality of his father by sticking on his point of view, by following the work that he had interest in. Several visits. Here, visit is a noun. The word visit can be used both as noun and verb. We paid a visit to Mysore. Noun. We visit Mysore every year. Verb. Correct? So remember this one. Several visits to the doctors followed. They visited the doctors many times with nothing improving. But what was the result of the visit? No improvement in the condition of whom? Satish. For Satish, he remained in his silent world. He remained in the silent world means he remained deaf. Several means many, a number of. Several visits to the doctors followed means they visited the doctors many times. Visit, the word visit can be used both as a noun and a verb. Here it is used as a noun. Visit, bheti. Verb adre bheti maadu. I paid many visits to Mysore. Noun. I visit Mysore every year. Verb. So, frame sentences like that, okay? Now, several visits to the doctors followed. with nothing improving, but no improvement, nothing improved for Satish. He remained present, remained past participle. He remained in his silent world means deaf. The only solace means peace. Solace means peace of mind, samadhana. The only solace for him being painting. So painting was a relieving, painting was a peaceful thing for him. It is the only solace, unde samadhanavanige. He managed to paint and draw in spite of his father's opposition. Opposition noun, oppose verb, opposed past tense. So, in spite of his father's opposition, now frame a sentence, in spite of. In spite of is different from instead of. In spite of fever, I attend the class. In spite of the teacher's warning, the student repeated the mistake. Adara horatagiyu. Instead of means adara badalagi anta. Instead of coffee, I drank tea. Correct? So frame one sentence for that. In spite of his father's opposition, ತಂದೆಯ ವಿರೋಧ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ಅವನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. One day ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, when he was busy mixing the colors on his palette. What is a palette? A thin board which an artist use to mix colors. Correct? Is it given there? No. Palette. Palette means a thin board on which a painter lays and mixes colors. A plate in which a painter mixes colors. So, what was he doing? He was busy. He was completely involved in his work of mixing the colors, painting, forgetting about the surroundings. Busy mixing colors on his palette. He became aware. He became conscious. He came to know. Aware, unaware. Opposite. Aware, unaware. Aware means conscious. Awareness, no. He was aware of his father standing at the door. What was Satish doing? He was mixing colors on his palette. Then he looked at the door where his father was standing. He looked up to find him staring at the painting intently. Satish looked at the father who was standing at the door, observing his interest, observing his painting, observing his work. What was he doing? Father was staring. Stare means look fixedly at. You came across that word earlier. At the painting intently. Intently means with interest. Satish reddened. Redden. What is redden? R-E-D-D-E-N. Redden. Go red. Blush. Redden. Correct? Means it's a feeling. Flush with embarrassment. With embarrassment. What is embarrassment? or reddened, became red with anger. Now see, Satish reddened, but continued with his mixing. Did he stop his work when he saw his father standing at the door? No, he didn't stop. He gets angry. Satish reddened, but continued with his mixing. He didn't stop. Slowly. So what did the father do? Slowly. Slow opposite fast. Slowly his father came. How did his father come? His father came slowly where? Into the room where he was painting. Into the room and sat next to his son. Sat beside his son. He didn't scold him. He didn't rebuke him. He didn't ask him to stop mixing or painting. How did Satish behave? Come to the 30th paragraph. Father said, "You want to do this very badly, don't you?" He asked. Had Satish had the power of hearing, he would have heard the tremor in his father's voice. As it was, he only read his lips. He didn't reply. Avatar Narayan put his hand on Satish's shoulder. Satish was unable to believe that his father was not angry with him for painting. Now see, sitting beside his son, Father Avatar Narayan told him, what did he? You want to do this. You want to do this. This means what? Painting, drawing. How? Very badly. Badly means very much. You want to continue this very much? Very badly, don't you? You want? Don't you? Tag. Correct? He asked, had Satish had the power of hearing? Yes. Had Satish had the power of hearing, he would have heard the tremor in his father's voice. Tremor means shake. He had seen his father's lips shaking. Correct? Had Satish had the power of hearing, Satish had not had the power of hearing. Had, first had is helping verb, second had is main verb. First had is finite verb, second had is non-finite. Correct? Had Satish had the power of hearing, he would have heard the tremor in his father's voice. As it was, he only read his lips. Till then, as he was deaf, as he had hearing problem, he could understand others' words by seeing, by looking at the movement of the lips. He read his lips. He didn't reply. Did he reply? No, he did not reply. Avatar Narayan put his hand on Satish's shoulder. He put his hand on Satish's shoulder as a friend, like a friend. This made him feel relaxed. Satish was unable. He was not able. He was unable to believe that his father was not angry with him for fainting. Now he came to know that his father was in support of painting. He could not believe his eyes that his father was not scolding him for painting. Next, come to the 31 Paragraph number. Moments later, his father left the room. What did father do? After some time, he left his room without uttering even a single word. When he returned, after some time he returned again, a couple of hours later, opposite earlier. His arms were full of paints. So what did he bring? He brought paints, brushes of all shapes and sizes, and several rolls of drawing sheets. So what did father bring? What did father buy? Father bought and brought brushes of different shapes and sizes. So a true painter, a true artist needs different shapes of different sizes of brushes. So what did father do? Father provided him brushes, paints, and many rolls of drawing sheets. Why? To make him happy, to fulfill his son's desires. He wanted to make his son happy by providing all the materials related to drawing. He carefully, what did he do? He carefully, careless suffix, careful suffix. He carefully, ಬಹಳ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ, set them on, set, keep, kept them where? On Satish table. So what did he do? Father kept all those materials on Satish table. He didn't utter even a single word. That means he supported Satish for drawing. Correct? Now see the questions related to these 4-5 paragraphs. Changed his father's attitude. Paragraph number 29. Learn it. What was Satish unable to believe? Paragraph number 30. Why didn't father support drawing? Correct? Next question. Now, what did father give Satish to support drawing? Okay? Sai Ram.